Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir taste good. First, understand that fresh, plain kefir has a distinct tangy flavor that can be quite strong for some palates. But don't worry, there are many easy ways to transform it into a delicious, enjoyable drink. We'll explore simple additions and techniques to mellow out that tang and create a flavor you'll love, making your homemade kefir a delightful treat. One of the easiest ways to improve kefir's taste is by adding natural flavors. Fresh or frozen fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or bananas work wonderfully, providing natural sweetness and a pleasant aroma. You can also stir in a tablespoon or two of honey or maple syrup to balance the tartness. Simply blend your kefir with these additions until smooth for a delicious, customized drink. For an even more refined taste, try a second fermentation. After straining your kefir grains, place the finished kefir in a clean jar and add your chosen flavorings such as fruit slices, citrus peel, or a cinnamon stick. Let it sit at room temperature for 1 to 4 hours or up to a half day. This process mellows the sharp tang, infuses flavors more deeply, and can even increase the probiotic content, resulting in a smoother, more palatable drink. Once your kefir is flavored to perfection, store it in the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process, preserving its delicious taste and preventing it from becoming too sour. Properly stored, your flavored kefir can last for 2 to 3 weeks. Remember to shake it gently before serving if any separation occurs. And speaking of storage, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your perfectly flavored, probiotic-rich drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.